So this is my Speedy Louis Vuitton bag. Everyone bag. Actually, napakaitim ng handle nito. And wala lang, pininturahan ko siya ng Sakura. And I put my name is Red in this bag. Wala kasi akong ginagawa today everyone dahil dito lang ako sa bahay kasi maulan. Wala akong ganang lumabas. So naisipan kong i-makeover ang aking bag. So this is my bag now. My new Louis Vuitton 25. Wala lang sa sobra ko talagang ano. And then my Carter bag, this is my Carter bag. Kung nakikita ninyo, this is maroon color nung una, tapos now I designed this bag. Kung makikita nyo yung details nito, ang cute, no? And I put my name in this one, Miss Red, and this one also. So this is my bag.